Today we're going to be learning about the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula says the solutions of the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 are the following. X is equal to the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2a, where a cannot be 0 and b squared minus 4ac has to be greater than 0. Another thing with the quadratic formula that we'll be talking about and using quite a bit is something that we call the discriminant. The discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. That's that number underneath the radical. And that indicates how many solutions and what type of solutions you will get when solving a quadratic using the quadratic formula. So here's what's going to happen. If the discriminant is a positive perfect square, remember our perfect squares are 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, etc. So if your discriminant is a positive perfect square, you will get two rational answers, which means two nice numbers that can turn to a fraction or a whole number. If your discriminant is a positive number, but it is not a perfect square, you're going to get two irrational answers, which means you'll have a square root in your answer. And if your discriminant is equal to 0, you're only going to get one answer. If you have a negative discriminant, you're going to get no solution. Remember, you can't take the square root of a negative number, so therefore that would give us a no solution answer. So let's talk about the discriminant in the next example.